Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 9th, 2013. It's a Saturday morning, and it's pretty chilly out there with temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Some locations are still in the mid to upper 30s, as these are the locations that didn't cool via radiation. You can kind of see where the skies really cleared out last night, where we have temperatures in the lower 30s, right around the New Jersey coast. Meanwhile, Philadelphia, because of our urban heat island, is around 38 degrees. Today, well, it's going to be actually nice out. Scattered cloud cover, winds from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, creating a little bit of a wind chill because our temperatures are only going to be in the upper 40s to lower 50s. It's going to feel like the mid 40s. So, in other words, it's going to feel pretty chilly out there, with temperatures averaging roughly about 5 to 6 degrees below normal for this time of year. On our surface map, high pressure is in complete control throughout much of the eastern United States. We have an area low pressure out here over the Great Lakes that will move through the region tomorrow with a few isolated showers. Otherwise, just a wind shift with the cold front and then cooler conditions thereafter. Otherwise, no major storms are on the horizon for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, and that includes next week. On our visible, or should I say, radar right now, we have a few isolated disturbances moving through central Pennsylvania that could clip portions of New Jersey today and northeastern Pennsylvania. Again, the key word here is isolated. Perhaps a brief shower or a flurry. Other than that, dry conditions can be expected for today. And once that low pressure system passes to our north tomorrow afternoon, we could also see an isolated shower or perhaps a snow shower in some locations. Not a big deal though, not a washout in any way, shape, or form. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see that high pressure system sliding off the coast. Here comes our next cold front that will move through tomorrow. Again, not a big deal, but will produce an isolated shower or two. And then thereafter, temperatures really fall behind this cold front, with temperatures for the middle of the week struggling in the mid 40s. Now that is chilly. So here is our latest model guidance from the Pennsylvania EWOL website using the European model guidance. And it looks like the European model guidance has shifted towards the Canadian model guidance I was showing you yesterday. So here we are for this afternoon. Our high pressure system shifts off the coast. Our low pressure system approaches from the Great Lakes. Mostly dry conditions for the most part, with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. For tomorrow, that cold front clips us to the north. Otherwise, really high pressure is going to be in control from the Ohio River Valley. Winds will shift from the southwest to the northwest, around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures throughout the region will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows tomorrow morning, and then rebound barely into the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior and lower to mid 50s along the coast, pretty much averaging near normal. Monday, high pressure will be in control with another weak cold front moving through in the afternoon. Again, no real precipitation threat, but will produce a nice wind shift to the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures on Monday will range pretty much near normal in the mid to upper 30s for lows and upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. Mid 50s are possible right along the coast and in urban locations. High pressure takes control after a powerful cold front moves through on Tuesday morning. So look for scattered showers on Tuesday morning, and our high temperature on Tuesday is going to basically be in the morning, and then it's just going to level off throughout the day. So look for low temperatures basically in the upper 30s to lower 40s on Tuesday morning, and then our temperatures basically hold in the lower to mid 40s throughout much of the region for highs from the late morning hours through the early afternoon hours, and falling off into the 30s by the evening. You're going to definitely feel the passage of this cold front once it moves through. Look for winds from the north and the northwest around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting to 25 miles per hour at times in the afternoon. Therefore, your wind chills are going to feel like the upper 20s to lower 30s by the time you start to head home in the evening. High pressure will remain in control for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now here's our little disturbance. Here's our storm that will move off into the Atlantic that just doesn't have enough time to really break off and explode. As I explained, there's just way too much energy back here in the west to really allow that to develop. So as a result, we do have a storm that develops out in the Atlantic, but it just gets pushed further out into the Atlantic, which means we really don't have much in the way of an impact. As a result, high pressure will be in control for the rest of the week with tranquil weather conditions, obviously, and chilly weather conditions. On Wednesday, look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s right along the coast. And then on Thursday and Friday, we warm up just a bit with our low temperatures in the lower to mid 30s for lows and our high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s. So this week is certainly going to feature below normal temperatures, but it looks like we're going to miss out on any big storms that could have impacted the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. That is your forecast for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and NYNJPAweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.